behind the grandeur of Yogyakarta lies a 30-kilometer long waterway that holds a dark and mystical story. This is Mataram Sewer, a silent witness to history and legend, tinged with strength and thriving events. The sewer was built during the Javanese occupation to drain water from Kali Progo to Kaliopak. To the construction of the Mataram Sewer was initiated by Sultan Hamengkubuwono IX. At the time, Jogja was experiencing a drought and need irrigation, so that agricultural product would be abundant. Therefore, during the construction process of the Yusur Canal or Mataram Sewer, it was supervised by the Japanese government. They did not oppose and actually financed the construction of this irrigation canal. Quoted from the Jogja provincial government, the Japanese government spent a budget of 1,6 million guilders for 1,2 million laborers who were paid 68,000 per person. The effort built this irrigation canal was made by Sultan Hamengkubuwono IX, so that the people of Jogja would not be employed as Romusa outside the city. At the time, the people involved in the construction of Mataram Sewer were finally free from Romusa. An empty house on the corner of the road Mataram Sewer, Sleman, Regency, Yogyakarta, is rumored to be haunted after years of abandonment by its owner. The built to hold a mystery and haunted story that has long been circulating in the wider community. It is said that tree was once a boarder who hanged himself due to depression. A few months before hanging himself, the boarding house resident saw his girlfriend chatting on him with another boarding house friend until she became pregnant. Allegedly, this was the reason why she hanged herself. After the incident, the tenant greatly left the boarding house due to terror rumored to be from a cursed spirit. They often heard shriek, and the spirit often appeared walking in the corridor of the empty house. An angkringan vendor who is a native of the area confirmed the awesomeness of this haunted house. He even often see apparition in the empty house on Road Mataram Sewar. However, according to him, the mystical story about a female student hanging herself is not justified by the angkringan seller. While trading three, he never heard the mystical story. The angkringan seller instead has another story, namely the story of a beautiful girl who was killed by her lover. The girl was killed in a building not far from the empty house. It's not now actually when the building was uninhabited. The angkringan merchant only said that the building was uninhabited. The angkringan merchant only said he had seen some resident leaving the house. Not far from the empty house is bridge located on Road Mataram Sewar. It is said that in the area under the bridge, tree is widadari or farwu lives in the place that is usually used for fishing. People know this figure for a long time, even before the bridge was built. In the past, many people looked for the beautiful and fragrant figure. It is said that in the past, a beautiful woman named Roro Kunti was tragedy killed on the banks as a dict. Her erect female spirit said to still linger along waterway. Her cold whisper is rumored to be heard by passerby at night, bring a sense of dread and chills to the spine. Not only Roro Kunti, another mystical story also circulated around Mataram Sewar. A tall, red-eyed Gundurwo figure is rumored to appear frequently, terrorizing residents who dared to pass by at night. The sound of his heavy laughter, a chewing in the silence of the night, is said to be able to make people who hear it go crazy. On an old bridge that crosses a ditch, another legend tells of a beautiful dancer who committed suicide because her love was rejected. Her dancer spirit is rumored to often appear on the bridge, dancing with quick and sorrowful moments. It is said that if annoying, there is to approach her. The dancer spirit will pull him into the water and drown him. The extent of Mataram Shower is not only colored by mystical story, but also heroic tales. Seekers are rumored to often perform ritual on the bank of the shower, hoping to gain wealth through supernatural means. However, many fail and instead fall into misfortune and disaster. To this day, Mataram Shower still retains its unique charm, combining natural beauty with legendary mystical story. For those who dare to explore the showers offer an unforgettable experience, a mix curiosity, suspense of an awe of Yogyakarta history, culture. However, for those who don't want to get caught up in the mystical story, it best to be colorful when visiting Mataram Shower, especially at night. Adhere to local rules and norms, and guard yourself. Experience against and dangers that my Lord. Remember, Mataram Shower is not just a waterway, but also a gateway another world of mystery and legend.